Hi, Justin Wrigley, Exit Realty, the Wrigley team. Welcome to 201 Nature in Casselman. This is an up-and-coming neighborhood built by an award-winning builder, Saca Homes. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, double-car garage has tons of features. Let's go in for a tour. You're gonna love the natural light that flows throughout the entire house, beautiful hardwood flooring in the living spaces, and check out this warm gas fireplace to cozy up to on a winter's night. The features continue, including a formal dining room, and check out this gorgeous chef's kitchen with cabinets to the ceiling, soft closing drawers, and a huge eat-up island. The beautiful hardwood staircase leads you up to the second level where you'll find 4 bedrooms, a main bathroom, and check out your master suite. Thanks for taking a tour of 201 Nature. For so many reasons to call this your next home, it's time to book your private viewing today.